So I've had a 32, a 33, took the motor out my 32, put it in my 33, had a 34, a few of them, a couple 4-doors, and now I have this 34 coupe. What's up, y'all? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Gary King Jr. I know you guys may have seen me on TVT, the bonus channel, or whatever shenanigans and mayhem I'm causing here.
Yo, hot! Woo!
I usually picking people up.
Oh, no. Oh! Gary!
But today is a different story. As many of you may know or may not know, I'm like the Skyline guy here. So I've had a 32, a 33, took the motor out my 32, put it in my 33, had a 34, a few of them, a couple 4-doors.
I have triples of the Barracuda. If I don't have triples, then the other stuff's not true.
And now I have this 34 coupe. This baby poop colored pea green lime thing, I absolutely love and adore it. I've learned to drift in it. It's probably the worst car, should have learned to drift in it, but hey, as you can see, I have took this thing to the fullest extent. You guys probably saw it on the dyno show when it looked all clean. Tail light came off, cracked bumper, but the most important thing is I'm having fun with this car. I'm not mad at it, and it's the best car I probably had. My good man Hurt here told me, Gary, just go out and have fun. The worst thing that's gonna happen is you crash it. My boy Matt and Gilbert are here. They're gonna help me do something significantly special to this car. Back in 2021, my grandfather was in a house fire. Luckily, he was able to escape, but unfortunately, he lost all of his possessions in the house fire. So we in my grandfather's garage. Corvette gone, Mustang gone. This is rough to see because my grandfather's one of those dudes who got me into cars. This was a whole car. I told him if I'm gonna try to make something work. If I can make it work, I can make it work. I told him I'm gonna do my best. I'll never forget the day he got that car. He kept bragging about it, told me it's twin turbo supercharged, and you know it's your grandpa, you can't tell him wrong. It was just a regular Corvette, but to him it meant the world. But I was able to save that engine that you see in the background over there from the house fire. The good people at CPR Performance helped me get this engine back to tip-top shape, and I'm going to be transplanting that LS1 into this R34. And for me, it's about seeing my grandfather smile again, to see him happy. This isn't one of those, oh, we're gonna break the internet. I don't give a fuck about what the internet thinks. I don't give a fuck what anybody else thinks. I just wanna see my grandfather happy again.
Let's talk about the car.
Bone stock RB25DET NEO. Yes, there's a difference between the Neo, the S1, and the S2. I'm gonna just put it simple. The Neo is superior to the other 25s. It's just better. They remade it better. There's a lot of dust from me going to Apple Valley. All I've really done is fill 441 suspension, these brand new they were brand new TSWs on Federal tires, Haltech Elite 2000 with the Haltech IC7. The Haltech is to prevent the engine from blowing up. It has all the parameters and safety measurements that usually those quote unquote oil issues you hear from RBs, it'll stop the car or just pretty much limit it on power before I do anything. I don't like having a bunch of gauges in the car. Like, this isn't a fucking airplane. I just need a screen to tell me either stop driving or this car is gonna blow up. That screen does all of that. That's pretty much it. We are going to turn this into the real ultimate driving machine that can conquer any and every road besides dirt. Street, drift, track, grip. I think I said drift. And just have fun. I know how to take engines out. I'm not an LS expert, so we're going to go on this journey together. Take my hand. Let's have some fun. And hopefully we can also make it to LS Fest. If done in time, but you know the Hoonigan way. It's either gonna make it or it's not gonna make it. So front end is completely off the car because we're gonna do a whole front end swap as well. And now we have to remove everything off of this, drain the fluids, get the wiring harness off, get the intercooler pipe off. They're removing damn near everything. Matt, you wanna explain what you're doing?
So I'm removing the entire engine harness, and then Gilbert's gonna hop on and do the intake, remove the intercooler, and then we'll drain fluids to the very end, and then pull it out.
And remember, kids, if somebody offers to help you, say yes, because a team project makes the dream project. What'd you say, Gilbert?
This intake tube has a lot of oil blow by.
Ooh, that's normal for RB. You need a catch can when you're doing high horsepower stuff. And I'm running this, shit, that's not good. Damn. This engine bay is filthy. My power steering reservoir is leaking. Got a little blow by in the intake. Pretty sure that Grange day did not help the health of this engine, but I know it's really but I know it's still a good engine. It just looks a lot worse than it is because now the wires are everywhere and we're really tearing apart a perfectly good car. So everything's disconnected, wiring harness. We're gonna dump the fluid from the...
Oh, wait, right here. Oh, no, it's gonna shoot out this.
It's fine, let him cook, he knows what he's doing.
Straight down.
Oh, straight down?
Hey, yeah, plug that back up real quick. I can reuse this coolant, huh?
No.
Why?
It's cooked.
It's not cooked, this shit green. All the wiring's out, we're gonna pull the radiator out. Last thing we need to do is take out the power steering pump, and then this engine's coming out tonight. That way we can come back, pressure wash it, and then possibly mock that up, but we're gonna call it a night after this engine comes out. There's a lot of coolant in here, bro.
Hey, that's good that it's still green when we swap the radiator.
That means the engine's good. We got the engine hoist, finding a good place to bolt the supports. I'm having a brain fart. Because usually on most inline sixes, they come with hooks, but Nissan's cheap and they never want you to take the engine out in the first place. So no hooks. Also, took the shifter out. Reason you want to take the shifter out because when you're trying to take the engine out, we'll scrape the bottom frame of your car. So just make it easy on yourself. Take the shifter out. It's just like a little C-clip ring thing and it'll come out. So when you take it out, it'll droop like a speedboat, you know? Got the transmission jacked up a little. Is there a reason why we got the transmission jacked up a little?
Just leveling, balance.
Guess you don't need to take it off anymore, right? You just,
Can you go up a bit?
it's on the front of the car. Ooh, all right, it's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. Damn, that's a big ass transmission. Yep. Y'all realize y'all just ripped the engine out.
Hey, those bolts are out too.
Your engine mount was busted.
Is that what that was?
That's why we're doing the swap.
So you telling me this whole time I've been driving that thing has just been like that?
It's been chilling just like that. Well, it's not gonna fall through, it's just chilling.
Jesus Christ.
Smells like hot dog water in here.
What the f did you just break, bro? Calm down there, Lance Armstrong. So the engine's out. We spent goddamn a good amount of time doing this. The RB25 is on the ground. This engine bay is still hella dirty, so we gotta come back, pressure wash this, and then mock that engine up to see if we can use this subframe or not, because as you notice, there's 2 holes. S chassis have 1 hole, so I believe I have an S14 front subframe, but find out on the next episode if this is gonna be doing it or not. I feel really corny saying this, Kyle. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. That's all I gotta say. Is weight 17, does the engine weigh 1,700 pounds, or am I stupid? Oh my goodness, it's going in. Oh, hold on, let me just, there we go. You can drop it. Oh my goodness, damn, it's in there.